ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ನಾವು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವಿಷಯದ ಲೆಸನ್ 2 ಸರ್ ಸಿ.ವಿ. ರಾಮನ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಸಾಗೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ಯುವರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್. ಹೂ ವೇರ್ ರಾಮನ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ರಾಮಣ್ಣನ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಯಾರು? Raman parents were Chandrasekhar Iyer and Parvati Amal. ರಾಮನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಅಯ್ಯರ್ ಮತ್ತು ತಾಯಿ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ಅಮಲ್. Why was Raman not able to attend school regularly? ರಾಮನ್ನ ಏಕೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ? Raman was not able to attend the school regularly because he was often ill and sick. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅನಾರೋಗ್ಯದಿಂದ ಕಾರಣ ಅವನು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Where did he complete his intermediate examination? He did his intermediate examination for Hindu College at Visakhapatnam. What subjects did his relatives advise him to take BA? ಅವನ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು? His relatives advised him to take history and economics. ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಮತ್ತು ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ for BA and also social that to give up science. ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಮತ್ತು ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. Why could not Raman go to the United Kingdom for higher studies? Raman's health broke down and hence he could not go to the United Kingdom for higher studies. ಅವನ ಅನಾರೋಗ್ಯದಿಂದ ಹೈಯರ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಯನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ಯುವರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್. ಹೌ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಹಿ ವರ್ಕ್ at Calcutta University? Raman worked for 15 years as a professor at Calcutta University. ರಾಮಣ್ಣ 15 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲ್ಕತ್ತಾ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದರು. What made Ramanna give of the highly paid post of Special Accountant General? Raman was offered the post of professor at Calcutta University, so he resigned his highly paid post of Special Accountant General and became a professor. 3.1 How did the Soviet he borrowed science books from college students and read them. All these incidents make us to think that Raman, even as a boy, had great interest in science. Why did Raman relatives ask Raman to take up art subjects? How did Raman react to it? When he joined Presidency College, Madras for his BA, his relatives wanted him to give up science and take history and economics, but Raman had made up his mind to study science, so he took physics and secured first rank with number of prize. After his MA, again his relatives asked him to take up same art subject in competitive examination in Calcutta. Raman agreed and took the same. He did well with new subjects and got first place in the competitive examination. What was the first disappointment in life? Raman wanted to go to the United Kingdom for higher studies in science. After his MA at that time again his health broke down and he could not go. This was the first and greatest disappointment in life. Why was Raman not happy with the post of Deputy Accountant General? Raman wanted to become a scientist. That was his life ambition, but circumstances forced him to become Deputy Accountant General. His love for science was so intense that he felt like a fish out of water. Unusually, he was doing his job. He was waiting for an opportunity to leave the job and become a scientist. How can you say that Raman had not lost interest in science when he was the Deputy Accountant General? After being Deputy Accountant General, she had contact with scientists and he took interest in science. One day when he saw that banner of science, he got off from the moving train and went to meet the scientists who had gathered in that building. When he was in Rangoon, he heard that an institution had bought a piece of prize of modern scientific apparatus. He hurriedly went to have a look at it. By these two incidents, we can say that he had not lost interest in science. Vocabulary. Fill in the blanks with the word opposite in meaning to the words underlined. ಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. Lean, land, young, inside, sad. More. V2. ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ನೋಡಿ. 1 2 3 4 5. ಈಗ V3. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫುಟ್ ಆನ್ 2. ಮೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ 3. ಫುಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿತ್ 4. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅಪ್ 5. ಮೇಕಪ್. V4. A B. 1 boy, 2 time, 3 past, 4 road, 5 speed, 6 class. ನೋಡಿ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. fee 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ಬರೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. V5 1 2 3 4 5 6 V7 1 2 3 4 5 V8 ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರಾಮರನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಾಗಿದೆ, ನೋಡಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಬಿ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್, ರೀಡಿಂಗ್, ಟ್ರೂ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್, ಟ್ರೂ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್, grammar. My father walks in the evening. You walk slowly. Johan walks slowly. Children walk slowly. Your sister walks slowly. 20 boys walks slowly. His brother walks slowly. Task 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Task 3 1. A boy is running in the field. 2. A student is reading a book. 3. A girl is eating a fruit. 4. A mother is lighting in the lamp. 5. A farmer is crying crying a bundle. E-writing 1 2 3 4 Task 2 1 2 3 4 5 ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನೆಲನ್ನು ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.